Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed the first and second problems in exercise 10.2. So in this video we shall discuss the third and fourth problems in exercise 10.2. So if we see the third problem first, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres struck to each of its end. So the length of the capsule is 14 mm and the thickness is 5 mm. So find its surface area. So here the given question is a medicine capsule. We know a medicine capsule, so it will be in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres at the end. So we know it will be like this capsule stuck to each of its end. So hemispheres is stuck to each of its end. So the length of the capsule is 14 centimeter. So the length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeter and thickness is 5 millimeter. So find its surface area. So find its surface area. So first of all, if we see here, we'll find the cylindrical portions once, and then if we see the hemisphere at last, so if we add that two, so we'll get the total surface area of the capsule. So first of all, we want to see the cylindrical portion. So cylindrical portions. First of all, we'll see the cylindrical portions. So they have given diameter is equals to 5 mm diameter, or here they have given thickness, so 5 mm, and radius is equals to, we know radius is equals to d by 2, that is diameter by 2, so 5 by 2 we'll write as it is, or if we take it half we'll get 2.5 millimeter. So here height they have given, height is equals to, they have given 14 millimeter. So 14 millimeter minus 2 into 2.5 millimeter. So here we have to minus, because here only the cylindrical portion they have given. So if we want to minus this hemispherical portion, so now we'll write h is equals to 14 into minus 2 into 2.5 millimeter. So 14.5 is 14 minus 9 is equals to 9 millimeter. So for 9 millimeter is the height. So remain. So here we got the height 9 millimeter because here we left the cylindrical portions. So sorry, not the cylindrical portion, hemispherical portions. Now we are taking only cylindrical portion. So at last we will add by taking this both. So height also we have got. Now if we see the CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. So the formula for CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So CSA of cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 2.5 into h. H is 9. So if we see here, this can be written as pi only. So it will be easy at last to calculate. So we will take 22 by 7 as pi itself. So 9 to the 18. 18 into 2.5 is 45 pi. So 40 pi. So we have found the volume CSA of a cylinder. Now we will see the hemispherical portions. Hemispherical portions. So here what they have given in the hemispherical portions, radius r is equals to 2.5 mm as it is, radius is equals to 2.5 mm, and we want, what is the CSA, formula of CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So we need only pi, sorry, only radius, or no, not height. So we'll write CSA of hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square, that is 2 into pi as it is into 2.5 into 2.5. They have given radius square, so we'll write it as 2.5 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 into 2 is 12.5 pi. So we have got the CSA of cylindrical portion is 45 pi and hemispherical portion is 12.5 pi. So now if we add both, we'll get the total surface area of the capsule. Therefore, total surface area of capsule is equals to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. We have taken 2 into CSA of hemisphere because we have here two sides of the hemispherical portion, so we have taken 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So now CSA of the cylinder we have got here 45 pi into 2 into CSA of hemisphere is 12.5 pi. So 45 into 2 into 12.5 pi, so we'll get 70. So here 2 into 12.5 is 25 pi. 45 pi plus 25 pi. So here plus, not into. So 45 pi plus 25 pi. So 45 plus 25 is 70. So 70 pi. So 70 pi, 70 into 22 by 7. 7 1 the 7 10 the. So 22 into 10 is 220 millimeter. So therefore the total area of capsule equals to TSA of capsule is equals to 220 millimeter. So now we have thought the third problem. So now we'll discuss the fourth problem. Fourth problem. The two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. So find the total surface area of resulting cuboid. So here they have given two cubes are joined end to end. So here they have given the two cubes. Cube we know joined end to end. Two cubes are joined end to end like this, and their volume is each of volume. So one cube volume is 64 centimeter cube and are joined end to end. So we have to find the total surface area of this resulting cuboid. So this will result in cuboid. So we have to see the total surface area. So we'll think the side as A, each side must be A. So every side is A. So if we think A, first of all solution, let the side of the cube be A. So we'll think the side of a cube be A. Then volume of the cube they have given 64 centimeter cube. Volume of cube is equals to 64 centimeter cube. So we have to find the volume of each side. So if we find, then we can make easily. So volume of the cube is, the formula of volume of cube is A cube is equals to 64, and A is equals to cube root of 64 is 4 cube is equals to 64, and this cube gets cancelled. A is equals to 4. Therefore side is equals to 4 centimeter. Now two cubes of side 4 centimeter join end to end to form a cuboid. So these 4 centimeters are joined end to end to form a cuboid. Therefore cuboid length L is equals to, cuboid length L is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 centimeter. So cuboid length they have joined together. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 centimeter. Breadth B is equals to 4 centimeter. Breadth B is equals to 4 centimeter. Then height also will be 4 centimeter. Height H is equals to 4 centimeter. They have said the cube. So cube means each side will be 4 centimeter. So the breadth, length and all will be 4 centimeter. Therefore TSA of a cuboid. TSA of cuboid. We get cuboid when these two cubes get joined together. Therefore what is the total surface area of cuboid formula? It is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. The formula of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then 2 into, so L is 8 into B 4, 8 into 4 plus B into H, 4 into 4 plus H into L, 4 into 8. So 2 into 8 4s are 36 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 8 4s are 36. So 36 plus 16 is equals to 2 into 80 centimeter square. So 2 into 80 is 160 centimeter square. Therefore, we got the answer 160 centimeter square. Therefore, TSA of cuboid is equals to 160 centimeter square. So we have also thought the fourth problem. So in the next video we shall discuss another two problems. So see you in the next video, guys.